Next, let's add an boom. Boom. It's so fetch. Is that even a thing? Yay, puppies! Rotate in your chair exactly 4 times. Pat your head 3 times and boop your nose. Like boop! Then it should work. Totally. I was really tempted to say, in the cloud. It's an API now. Out in the clouds. And I decided to instead use a different word, like internet. You're welcome.
Now literally raining cats and dogs from the clouds.
Oh yeah. It is now literally raining cats and dogs from the clouds. Yay, felines in Meowtown. All right. Thanks for watching this Scaling Vue with Nuxt course. And what? And have a great day. Cheerio.